Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Eagle Sci Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the pause button while recording, screen recording with OBS. So let's get into it. So this is OBS and I'm capturing the display. I can pause it while recording and some of you cannot. So what you have to do, go to settings and then go to output and see whether the recording quality is high quality or something else or not. These are the qualities. Though this quality is a very high large file quality, you don't want that. So these three qualities are the qualities where you can have a pause option. But if you're recording with the quality of same as stream, you can see the warning here: the recordings cannot be paused if the recording quality is set to same as stream. So if I apply now and then click OK and then start recording, you can see that the recording has started, but there is no pause option. So that's the fix. Stop recording, go to settings, fix it, change it to something else, change it to high quality minimum file size, and then apply. There was a problem previously with the recording format as well, that if you want to record it with the MP4 or MOV, there was no option of pause. So now it's fixed, but with the quality it's not. So now click OK and you can see here, while you're recording you can pause. You can pause here and then you can restart and then stop recording again. So this is the fix. I hope you liked the video and this video helped you. If it did, please give a thumbs up, it means a lot. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates and hit the notification bell for more notifications. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.